So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're running into a problem where you have something like this, where basically you have a like Windows 11 issue where there's like a core isolation problem going on with an incompatible driver. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do here, and the main way to fix this problem, is by identifying the incompatible driver. So what you want to do is you want to first search up Windows security. So go and type in Windows, and you want to find the Windows security option that shows up like this. Tap on Windows security, and you want to make your way over to device security. So go through here and find the device security option that's on the left side right here, and you want to open it up. Now, right at the very top, you're going to see this core isolation situation that comes up right here. What you want to do is you want to click on core isolation details. And then what you want to do is under this memory integrity option, what you want to do is you're going to see a little link usually right here that says something like incompatible drivers, or it's going to say review incompatible drivers. So what you can do is you can go through and you can find those incompatible drivers right here. You can look for them, and that's going to basically allow you to go through and basically, create and fix those issues. So it is a pretty easy thing to do. That's kind of an easy way to kind of do it, but that is kind of the main way to go and do it for the most part. So in terms of that, that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solin.